Hello and welcome. I'm back here at Home Depot checking out the deals they have going on for the month of August. And I'm going to show you the top ones that I find. So I'm starting off here in the lawn and garden department, and they have on clearance the Ryobi 40 volt mower. It is a 20-inch self-propelled mower. It does come with one 6 amp hour battery, and it's rated for up to a 40-minute run time, and is a 20-inch one. So the clearance price is $386 and it was $499. So some pretty decent savings there. They do have a lower price on the Ryobi 40 volt 20-inch push mower, so it's not self-propelled. You'll have to push it yourself. But they have that price at $299 and it was $329, so saving only 30 bucks there. But they do have a good clearance deal going on with the DeWalt 20 volt mower. It is a rear-wheel drive one with dual blades, and it is 20 volt. So they have that one where it comes with two 10 amp batteries. It's rated for up to an 80-minute run time. The clearance price is $595 and it was $729. So pretty good deal there. And they do have a clearance deal on the DeWalt 60 volt 18-inch chainsaw. It is tool only. Clearance price at $210 now, and it was $299. I'm going to interrupt this deal video, and I'm going to make an announcement. So basically, on my channel analytics here on YouTube, 94.5% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. If you enjoy this content, I would invite you to subscribe to my channel, and it is free. And why not? It is getting deal video content, saving money on tools. I really appreciate the support. And I'm going to be doing a gift card giveaway at the end of the month. I'm going to be doing a $100 gift card. To qualify for the gift card, you must be publicly subscribed to the channel, and then you have to comment DIY Crasher Rocks in the comments. I will be using a software to generate the winner of the gift card, and we'll go from there. I really do appreciate the support, and let's go on to the deals. And they have the Milwaukee, it's a quick lock rubber broom attachment. That would be for the quick lock system with their string trimmer kit. They have that on clearance right now for $224, and it was $349. Then they also have the Milwaukee Quick Lock Bristle Brush on clearance for $184, and it was $329. Looks like they're out of it in this store because they have the rubber broom in its place. All right, and they have the clearance deals still going on the Milwaukee, the 2 battery string trimmer. It's a straight shaft string trimmer kit. So it's the one with the 2 batteries and charger. They now have that marked down to $199, and it was $699. That's an insane deal right there, because it includes the 2 8 amp hour high output batteries and a fast dual bay charger for that price. Then they had the one as the bare tool only on clearance for $179, and it was $399. So excellent deals there, especially with the 2 batteries. That's just crazy, because the dual bay charger by itself is like around $129, and then each of those batteries is at least $200 each, I think. So with that trimmer kit being $199 with the 2 8 amp hour high output batteries and the dual bay rapid charger, I could not resist. They didn't have any left down here. They have just the tool only ones. But I went up there and looked at all the racking above and found they actually had 2 of them. So I grabbed the last 2 and went ahead and purchased them, and I had to come back in to finish filming. So I did catch the last of the 2 that they had in the store, and actually when I had someone come to try to help me get the one that I found, she had looked it up in the system and it showed that they had 0 in stock, and when indeed they actually had 2 up in the upper racking there. So be sure to double check. Even though their system might say they might have 0 on hand, it might be worth checking out and seeing if they happen to have any physical in stock. And here's another clearance deal on the Milwaukee Forge 8.0 batteries. It's 2 of them with the dual bay rapid charger. Clearance price is at $379, and it was $449. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. All right, so they rolled out some new Milwaukee deals here on an end cap. They have, you buy one of these qualifying solutions of one of these tools here, or tool kits, then you get a free 5 amp hour battery, which is a $169 value. So your options are for $239, you can get a 2 tool combo kit, which is the drill and impact driver, a couple batteries for $239. For $399, they had a 2 tool kit with a hammer drill and impact driver and 2 5 amp hour batteries charger. For $479, they have the 18 volt 4 tool kit, and that is the circular saw, drill driver, impact driver, as well as a one-handed recip saw and 2 batteries. And then they have like the grinder for $229, chainsaw for $349, and then the 1/2-inch torque wrench for $299, the compact router for $199, the 2.5 gallon shop vac with the pack out compatibility for $199. $299 is the 8 amp hour Forge battery starter kit. And $279 is the variable speed grinder with the paddle switch. $249 is the 6-bay rapid charger. $199 is the half-inch hammer drill. $199 is the fuel recip saw, one-handed one. And $249 is the oscillating tool. So those are all the qualifying tools to be able to get just one 5 amp hour battery for free. And it looks like they rolled out some new lower pricing on the DeWalt corded tools. So they have here the half-inch hammer drill for $119. It was $139. The 12 amp variable speed recip saw for $129 was $148. The 7 amp angle grinder for $74 was $89. The quarter sheet palm sander for $69 was $84. The 5-inch variable speed random orbit sander for $84 was $99. Then they had the 11 amp angle grinder for $99. It does have the paddle switch with it. It was $118. And they do have a D-handle jigsaw for $129. It was $148. And then they do have a half-inch variable speed reversing drill for $149. But no new lower price for that one. In case you missed my previous DeWalt video that I just showed from Home Depot about a week or so ago, these are the new deals that they rolled out recently in the last week. So it's basically you buy one of these flex volt tools that are 60 volt rated, and then you get a free starter kit with a 6 amp hour battery and 6 amp charger. That's a $249 value there. So it's whether you buy the 12 amp hour flex volt battery or the brushless recip saw, or the 4.5-inch angle grinder for $279, or the 7-inch angle grinder for $299. So those are your select tools that you buy, and then you get the starter kit for free. And then here's another qualifying option for the DeWalt. You buy for $299 is a 7.25-inch circular saw with the brake. It is tool only, and then again you can have the free 6 amp hour with the 6 amp charger for free. It's a starter kit, $249 value there. And again they list again the 12 amp hour flex volt battery, $299 price tag there. And they had the lower price on the 1.25-inch SDS Plus rotary hammer. It is also a 60 volt tool, but this is not one that you get a free battery kit with, so it's just tool only. It is priced at $499 and it was $549. And then here are the other DeWalt deals they recently rolled out with, and that is $129 is a 6 amp hour battery. It was $179. And they have the 23 gauge pin nailer for $329, and it was $349. And then for $369, they have the 16 gauge finish nailer. It was $399. And then $279 is a 2-tool drywall kit. This includes a screw gun and cutout tool, as well as two 2 amp hour batteries and a charger for $279 there. And then for $399, they have the 21-degree framing nailer, and it was $449. So they have newer items out from Ryobi, like new little stack packs of products. So they have a 28-piece impact drill and drive set for $988, a 10-piece wire wheel assortment kit for $1988, and then they have a whole stud detector for $25, and they say it was $32. And then for $50, they have a 3/8-inch drill driver kit with a 1.5 amp hour battery and charger for $50. I would go ahead and splurge a little bit, maybe upgrade to a 1/2-inch drill driver, but 3/8 we'll be able to do some simple tasks with it. And then for other options here from Ryobi, for $49, you can get a 150 watt battery power source converter kit. It does have like one AC outlet and a USB plug to be able to charge up devices with the Ryobi 18 volt batteries. And then they have your choice also for $49.97 is the 18 volt LED spotlight, or the blower, that's the workshop blower. These are always convenient to have, these little blowers to be able to blow off like miter saws, table saws, workbenches, that sort of thing, to keep the job site tidy. All right, and then for $89, they do have a 2 amp hour starter kit from Ryobi. It is a 2 amp hour battery and charger. They do have this Milwaukee M18. This is a 1/2-inch impact wrench with the high torque one with the 5 amp hour battery and charger. Well, they have it priced at $399. I imagine that's probably what the real price is, but they do have an old tag that they have on a piece of plywood underneath it for $349. It was $399, so I'm not sure which is actual deal. Maybe that's an expired deal, but maybe check your store, see what they got going on there. All right, and they have a couple of clearance deals on a couple of different ladders here. They have this 8-foot Warner fiberglass step ladder. It is the one that is rated for up to 250 pounds. And it's fiberglass. They have that priced now at $119, and it was $169. So a pretty good deal there. They do have a lower price on the 6-foot fiberglass podium platform step ladder, which this ladder right here is in the wrong spot. But the 6-foot one, they have it priced at $249, and it was $279. And they have an excellent deal on the Warner Cross Step 300-pound rated ladder here. It is 6 foot, and they have it on clearance for $80, and it was $159. And they have a deal going on with this rigid roofing nailer. It's a coil one, 15-degree pneumatic one. So this actually looks like a newer model out. I haven't seen this one before. And you can shoot up to 1 3/4 inch nails, roofing nails, and it drives 6 nails per second. So it's pretty awesome there. They do have it priced now at $159, and it was $219. So whenever you visit the Home Depot, be sure to check out their little clearance section they have. And it varies by store, by the location of the clearance rack or the end cap that they have. They do have the Ryobi brushless reciprocating saw. So it's the HP model, and it is this one is tool only. And the clearance price is only $65, and it was $149. Then they also have a clearance deal on the 1,000-watt power inverter. They have that priced, saving $20, so it's $179 off the $199. And they do have the 3 battery kit here that was part of the Ryobi days. It has the 2 4-amp-hour batteries and 2-amp-hour one. They have that on clearance right now for $169, and it was $199 before. But that was also when you were getting a free Ryobi tool during Ryobi days. Another item they have on clearance is this new tone recessed fan. It's a recessed ventilation fan with a dimmable LED light. It's a pretty good price. At only $84. It was $178. And at this store, they still have a lot of the rigid 2-amp-hour battery starter kit with a charger. They had that on clearance for $50, and it was $99. All right, so be sure to check your store. In this store, they're out of stock, but they have more clearance tags on Ryobi chainsaws. So, for example, they have the 14-inch one, tool only, for $128 when it was $189. Then they had the 14-inch one for $176, and it was $279. And then they have the 18-inch for $256. It does include the battery and charger, and that was $379. And those are the 40-volt chainsaws. So those are decent prices there on those saws. So maybe check your store, see if they have them in stock. They do have a new lower price for the Ryobi 40-volt 730 CFM blower with 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a rapid charger for $229, and it was $279. And they have this Ryobi 40-volt jet fan blower and vacuum kit. It does include a 4-amp-hour battery and charger. They have that new lower price, $299, and it was $469. I am excited to have picked up that Milwaukee deal for $199, where it included the 2 8-amp-hour high output batteries. Well, they don't have 8-amp-hour high output ones here on this shelf here in the garden department, but they do have the 6.0 ones, high output, and those are priced at $179 by itself. So what an awesome deal I picked up. I hope you're able to get one too at your store. And in the Ryobi section, they have other clearance pricing on some of the Ryobi tools. So they had the 2-tool combo kit that has the drill and impact driver of the HP Plus ones. Priced at $89, it was $179, but they are out of it here at this store. Another clearance deal from Ryobi is the HP Plus impact driver kit. It's the compact one on clearance for $69, and it was $139. And they have from DeWalt, it's the 20-volt XR brushless with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, the hammer drill and the impact driver. They have that new lower priced at $259, and it was $329. They do have the DeWalt 20-volt brushless XR 4.5-inch angle grinder for $249. It was $289. And then they have from Makita the, oh wait, there's actually no deals from Makita. All right, if you're in need of a rigid oscillating edge belt and spindle sander, so this runs on AC power, obviously 120 volt. They have a good deal on it right here at this store. So maybe check your store because they have it on clearance. They have it on clearance here for $115, and it was $249. Excellent deal. They do have this Milwaukee M18 USB charger. It's like a little device that you just put in a USB plug and then charge up your devices with it. Well, they do have it as lower price. I don't know if it's on clearance, but it's $14.97, and it was $29. And then also from DeWalt, they have the 20 volt max 22-inch hedge trimmer for $149. It was $179. Then they have the 20 volt quarter sheet sander for $129. It was $169. Then they have the brushless impact driver for $179. It was $219. That is tool only, and these are all tool onlys. So the other one is a 20 volt brushless barrel grip jigsaw for $169. And they have also from DeWalt, it's a 2 battery pack. It's a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery and charger for $199. It's not necessarily a good deal because during Black Friday time, that's what the price is for this exact kit right here, and then you're getting a free tool. So definitely hold out for Black Friday time if you can. All right, so then also they have the 1/2 inch brushless hammer drill, the Atomic Series one with a 5 amp hour battery. They had that priced at $179. It was $219. And they also have the Atomic 20 volt 1/4 inch impact driver kit, also with the 5 amp hour battery and charger for $179 also, and it was $219. Then they have the Atomic Series 3/8 inch brushless ratchet for $179. Also, it was $219. And then they have the Atomic Series 20 volt brushless oscillating multi-tool. It is tool only as well. Priced at $149, and it was $179. All right, that's going to conclude this tool deal video. If you enjoyed it, I appreciate you give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos I do in the future. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.